Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today with the 2018 Subaru XV, stock number 7163. It's ran from the 3rd 2017 to the 6th 2023. It's an FB20C 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by 7-speed automatic transmission. This is the FB20 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 18-inch factory American tyre, 10 door mirror. Left front and left rear door no dents. Left rear 18-inch factory American tyre. Left hand tail light. Rear tailgate. Right hand tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory American tyre. Right rear door 3 dents. Right front door 1 dent. Right hand door mirror. Right front 18-inch factory American tyre. Right front headlight. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Same console with automatic air shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,